What's popping, guys? Back with another video. Before we get into the video, make sure you like the video. Stop the video right now, go down and like the video, comment as well. Make sure you subscribe. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed and you're gonna watch the whole video, what the fuck are you doing? Anyway, let's get straight into it. How to stay consistent. Number one, wake up early. You're so ahead of your competition once you're up early. It doesn't even have to be 4 a.m., 3 a.m., 5 a.m., what these people are saying. Obviously, those are the times that work for me, but they may not work for you. Even if you're a person that doesn't have like a wake up time or whatever, if you do, then wake up an hour earlier than you already do. But if you don't and you just wake up whenever you do, have a set time that you wake up every day. So I would recommend, especially if you're a beginner with waking up early, 7 a.m. Wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Because the alarm's gone off for a purpose, you've woken up with the mindset of, okay, there's something I need to do. That's why I rock with alarms, because they automatically, like I said, give you the mindset of, okay, there's something I need to do. For me, waking up early is a lot better because no one in the house is awake. I can kind of get my editing done, get my filming done before everyone's awake, move around the house, do what I like to do early in the morning before the world's awake. I like the quiet. I like to work in the silence. I don't really like working in the hustle and bustle of, you know what I mean, hearing people outside and all of that. But furthermore, set that alarm right now. Stop the video, go to your clock, set that alarm for 7 a.m. tomorrow right now. And get to bed early too, because you need at least 8 hours of sleep. If you do already wake up for work, 7 a.m. or whatever, then move it to 6 a.m. and try to get our workout in before you go to work, whatever you do like that. Because you'll have way more energy when you're at work. You'll be in a better mood. Not to mention, you'll get a little physique on you as well over time if you stay consistent. So, yeah, man, wake up an hour earlier, do a little hour workout. Little push-ups, sit-ups, whatever you want to do. Go to the gym, go for a run. There's 100 things you want to do. You can even wait. If you already work out in your morning routine, then wake up an hour earlier, get some meditating in, get some reading in, get some journaling in. And yeah, man, you get what I mean? Always look to elevate your mind. Number two is have a routine if you want to stay consistent. When you have a routine, you have no room for brain fog or confusion or procrastination. You know what you need to be doing. So the night before, write down 5 important tasks that you need to get done in the following day, and write down times. So for example, 8 a.m. I need to go walk the dog. 7 a.m. I need to go and feed the fish. This is a clock. You need to, you know what I mean? And stick to that. You have to be able to stick to what you're going to say, because that builds trust in yourself. Not to mention, you get all the hard shit out the way quickly. And you also get more done in the day, because obviously if you just do the day off the fly, you maybe do 3 important things that you need to do today. Whereas if you write it down and you can really look at the day and the tasks you have to do from hindsight, you may be getting down 6 or 7 or 5 or whatever. But yeah, man, always just look to do at least 5 important tasks every day. That would honestly take you so much further than, you get what I mean, just doing it off the fly. Because brain fog, you'll get distracted, probably be on your phone, and you think, oh, fuck it, I'll do it tomorrow. Ain't got time for that, bro. Time is money, so we have to be getting it now. Next, leave girls alone. If you're a girl, leave boys alone, bro. That's nothing but a distraction right now. Honestly, what's for you will come to you. So not to say, obviously, if you see, don't get me wrong, you see a nice girl on the streets and stuff like that, run down, do your thing, don't be a pussy. But but on some real shit, bro, don't be staying up till 3 a.m. on FaceTime. That shit's dead. We ain't got time for that. We gotta be up early. We got things to do. Not to mention, that's a lack of respect to yourself, because you know the task you want to get done, you're putting them aside for someone else. That's disrespectful to yourself. And also, that person slightly peeping that and not rating you as much because of that. But it's calm though, because obviously you can do what you want to do. But yeah, man, leave girls alone, leave boys alone, focus on what you gotta do. Retain your sexual energy as well, bro. Put that towards your goal. Use that as drive towards whatever you want to get to this year. I know that's what I'm saying. We're already almost halfway through the year, and there's so much to do. We haven't really got time for that. Obviously, you get what I mean? Everything that's for us will be attracted to us. God sends stuff your way for a reason. So yeah, man, don't get sidetracked by the opposite gender. Do what you need to do, and they will focus on you. Yeah, do what you need to do. But, and the saying goes, man, focus on you and the women will too. So, yeah, moving on. This one's a bit contradictory, but put a time frame on it. So now, let's say, for example, if you want to quit smoking cigarettes, then Stop for 30 days. That's gonna be hard as hell for some of you niggas over there. Some of you weak-minded niggas, bro. That's gonna feel like hell for you guys. But bro, stop smoking for 30 days. And at the end of the 30 days, really just analyze it, evaluate yourself, and really think, okay, cool, I've stopped this for 30 days and I feel healthier. So shall I go back to it, or shall I quit it completely? Or sometimes you might realize that you don't need to actually quit completely. Maybe you just need to cut down, or do it maybe like once a week or something like that. You get what I mean? It's addictive and it's hard. That's why I recommend just cutting it completely off, because you can be doing it in moderation and have a full relapse. Instead, cut ties with all of that. Burn that whole bridge altogether. It's discipline, bro. It's either you want it or you don't. But next will be journal your days. When you're journal, at the end of the day, if you write out the way your day came, you can read over them in the future, and that will be used as motivation for the future to keep going, because you'll be like, wow, look how far I've actually came. Like, I was here doing this, now I'm here doing this. Now, a bad day back then was just staying in bed all day. Now, a bad day is I didn't manage to post 2 videos today or something like that, bro. Keep the progression up. It's like the gym. In the gym, you want to keep going up weight every week or month or whatever it is. It's the same thing, bro. Like, over time, you'll peep that you're going up in the caliber of things you're getting done, your consistency, things like that, man. You have to be able to call yourself out on things too. Be honest with yourself in your journal. That's only you and your journal. So, man, you know what I mean? Put it in the journal and keep track of everything that you got to do. But yeah, staying consistent is the key element to getting to where you want to get. Consistency is the best thing for anything. Like anything, hard work and consistency are that's the dream combo right there. You don't need nothing else, not even talent. That all beats talent. People that are way ahead of you, way more talented than you, hard work and consistency, you will overtake them in no time, bro. Trust me. Stay consistent. But I don't want to make this video too long, whatever, so I'm gonna stop it right here. You guys know what you gotta do. I hope you guys was making notes as well. And yeah, man, just take it easy, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe, because you're hating if you're not liking the video. Come on now.